Looking for the best broker regulated by CySEC? You're in the right place. In this video, we're going to show you 4 brokers that not only hold a CySEC license, but also offer top trading conditions. Hi, I'm Eric from FXEmpire.com. With over 12 years in the Forex industry and 80 brokers tested this year alone, we know what separates the best from the rest. So, what's CySEC and why is it important for traders? The Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, or CySEC, is a Tier 1 regulator that oversees Forex and CFD brokers. It follows strict rules from the European Securities and Market Authority, or ESMA, to make sure brokers protect their clients. For traders, now this means having important safeguards like negative balance protection so your account can't fall below zero, and segregating client funds to ensure your money is always safe and available. CySEC-regulated brokers also participate in the Investor Compensation Fund, protecting your funds up to a certain limit if something goes wrong. So, why does this matter to you? Choosing a CySEC-regulated broker gives you a peace of mind with a safer trading experience. But not all CySEC-regulated brokers are the same. Some have lower spreads, others have better trading tools, and the list goes on. With so many options out there, it can really feel overwhelming. And that's why in today's video, we'll break down the top CySEC-regulated brokers and explain what makes each one stand out. By the end, you'll know exactly which broker best fits your trading style. Let's dive in. But first, how did we pick these brokers? Our team is made up of experienced analysts and pro traders who've been in the Forex game for over 15 years. We've developed a reliable testing process to help us find the best brokers across a range of factors. Here is what we've looked at. First, we made sure each broker has an active CySEC license and operates under the latest MiFID II regulations. MiFID is a key regulatory framework by the European Union. Then, we checked that the brokers have physical offices in Cyprus with a local customer support team available during European trading hours. We also tested and compared their trading fees to the industry average to ensure they are competitive. On top of that, we checked whether these brokers follow a best execution policy and measured the speed of their order execution to see how quickly they can fill your trades. Lastly, we made sure the brokers offer user-friendly trading platforms, a wide range of tradable instruments, and tools to suit traders of all levels. And by the way, if you're curious about any of these brokers and want to learn more, check the description below or click the link in the top right corner up there for the best offers in your region. So, ready to find out who made the list? Our top pick among CySEC regulated brokers is IC Markets. Founded in 2007, IC Markets is not only licensed by CySEC, but also by 3 other global regulators. It has offices in Limassol, Sydney, and beyond, and has become the go-to broker for high frequency and high volume Forex traders thanks to its low-cost trading environment. IC Markets offers different account types, with the standard account providing commission-free trading and spreads that beat the industry average. For traders looking for even tighter spreads, the raw spread ECN accounts offer spreads as low as 0.0 pips straight from the interbank market, plus an industry standard commission. With over 2,220 tradable instruments, it's also a great fit for multi-asset traders. But what really makes IC Markets stand out is its zero requote policy and lightning fast trade execution thanks to the fiber optic connections to the Equinix and Y4 server. Whether you prefer trading on MT4, MT5, CTrader, or TradingView, IC Markets has got you covered. These features make it a great choice for short-term, high-frequency, and algorithmic traders, or those generally seeking low trading fees. The one potential drawback, some of the more advanced features might feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. Don't worry, they offer 24/7 customer support to help you navigate. Coming in second on our list of top CySEC regulated brokers is FP Markets, a great choice for professional traders. Founded in 2005, FP Markets is not only regulated by CySEC, but also by 5 other global authorities, although it operates an unregulated entity as well. Now, what sets FP Markets apart is its access to over 10,000 tradable instruments across global asset classes, available through a range of top-notch trading platforms. For automated traders, FP Markets offers MT4 and MT5 platforms with raw spread ECN trading accounts, which help keep trading costs low. A standout feature here is the ability to trade trade exotic and emerging currencies that most brokers don't offer, such as the Colombian peso and Ugandan shilling. For seasoned stock traders, FP Markets provides the advanced Iris trading platform, offering direct market access for share CFD trading on the world's top stock exchanges. We found that their spreads are generally highly competitive, beating the industry average across most asset classes, making FP Markets a great fit for various trading styles. FP Markets is a well-established broker with nearly 20 years of experience. However, keep in mind that its offshore entity is not regulated, which means it offers limited client protection. Next on our list is Capital.com, a top choice for traders using the MT4 platform. Founded in 2016, it's licensed not only by CySEC, but also by 3 other global regulators, including 2 Tier 1 authorities, the FCA and ASIC. Capital.com gives you access to over 3,000 tradable instruments on MT4, available for desktop, web, and mobile. The desktop and web platforms offer more than 50 user-friendly indicators and drawing tools, making them great for technically minded traders. You can also use the MetaTrader marketplace to download customized trading indicators directly into the platform. Capital.com's MT4 platform supports automated trading with expert advisors, and what really sets it apart is its ultra-fast execution speeds of under 32 milliseconds plus API trading solutions. While the MT4 mobile app has fewer technical tools, it's easy to use and perfect for trading on the go. We were also really impressed by the broker's market research materials, which help keep you informed of the latest market trends and opportunities. In our trading fees test using a CFD's leveraged trading account, the spreads for Euro to USD started from 0.6 pips, which is much lower than the industry average of 1.08 pips. However, one thing to keep in mind is that the swap fees range from average to high in our tests. The last broker on our list is Libertex. Based in Limassol, Cyprus, Libertex is also the official online trading partner of the famous German football club FC Bayern. It offers competitive spreads on over 300 tradable instruments through its MT4, MT5, and its own Libertex app. Our team was really impressed with the Libertex app, available for iOS and Android. It's easy to use and it lets you trade quickly with multiple order types and timeframes. The app also has a built-in market sentiment indicator, which shows you how many Libertex clients are long or short in a market. Very helpful for spotting overbought or oversold conditions. As for fees, Libertex combines low floating spreads with low to average commissions. For example, in our tests, we found the Euro to USD spread to be 0.1 pips with a €5 round turn commission per traded lot, 100,000 units, which is very competitive. This fee structure makes Libertex a great option for both high frequency trading and longer term day trading. Now, the main downside we found with the broker is that its educational content is rather limited. Now that is it. If you're interested in exploring any of the brokers we discussed, you can find all of the necessary links in the description below or in the top right corner of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. Your feedback helps us create content that best serves you. All right, we will see you in the next video.